you're experiencing FPS drops in Baldur's Gate 3, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the graphics options and decrease settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers to improve performance and stability. Step 3. Close background applications. Shut down any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. Step 4. Verify game files. Use the game launcher, Steam, Kaggle, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to the control panel, select power options, and choose the high performance plan to ensure your system is running at its best. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.